this is the Kodak disposable camera. This is super cool. I love this faux leather look. I do have to say the quality of it is not nearly as cool as I expected. I thought the leather was going to be a little bit nicer, but it definitely has the look that you want going for it. The other thing that I don't really love about this camera is that the wind up down here to load the next picture is just in an awkward spot. I'm so used to it having it be up here that this is an adjustment, at least for me. It is nice that it does come with this handle, and it also comes with a little case to store the camera. And then the film goes inside here. It does have flash. Yep, so it's pretty cool.